Trading stopped at about 8:30 this morning our time. It came in the middle of a big sell-off as investors started the day expressing concern over the falling stock markets in China. At this time, officials do not suspect any type of cyber attack. The New York Stock Exchange sent out a tweet saying the issue we are experiencing is an internal technical issue and is not the result of a cyber breach. But Tuesday, the hacker group Anonymous sent out a suspicious tweet saying, quote, "Wonder if tomorrow is going to be bad for Wall Street. We can only hope." The FBI issued a statement saying it would continue to monitor the situation. Trading on the floor resumed at about 12:10, and it just closed a few moments ago.
And this is a live picture we're going to show you here of the big board. The Dow closing at 259 points down, 259 points. With more on what all this means for your money, let's go to LA Times business columnist David Lazarus. David, this was a crazy day, and I've got a question. Has this ever happened before? Have you ever seen like this?
Oh, sure. We've had halted trading before, also for technical glitches. Frequently, you'll see trading stop just for an individual stock if there's some big news that's moving the market. But this is an example, basically, of the system working. When you have a technical glitch like this, rather than leaving everything hanging out there with the potential for big upswings or downswings, you stop trading, you prevent the panic from growing, and you take control of the situation. When you have a technical glitch like this, rather than leaving everything hanging out there with the potential for big upswings or downswings, you stop trading, you prevent the panic from growing, and you take control of the situation. There's some reports out there that say the NYSE had put a software upgrade into place just last night and didn't quite get it finished, and that could have been the glitch we're talking about, although the tweet from Anonymous certainly is cause for concern, and the fact that there was also an outage on the Wall Street Journal's website roughly around the same time seems like a little more than coincidence. However, not a single official out there is saying that there was any sort of relationship between these things. I think it's also very important to remember that the stock market didn't stop today. In fact, stocks kept trading. It is just the New York Stock Exchange that was down. The NASDAQ kept trading, and many people might not know it, but there's about a dozen stock exchanges in the U.S., and all the other ones continue trading. They're mostly on the East Coast and in the Midwest. Here in California, we used to have the Pacific Exchange with trading floors here in LA and San Francisco, but that fell by the wayside as digital technology